tough and more tough. I'm playing like a crazy person, 2 machines, 10 cent denomination, $5 minimum bet on this one. And also on this one. Because we love this game, even though this one took like 800 bucks or 1,000, I don't even remember. This one took another, how much? 300? I don't know. This one's done. How much you got? $25.